My name's Sophia Ewing. I'm in broadcasting and video production at Berea-Midpark High School. You're going to learn about camera work, sound, we have a DJ machine, sound effects, and editing. I really like working with my classmates and seeing everyone's ideas come together all into one project. You know Miss Street, she is a great teacher. She's always helpful. She's very creative herself. Some activities I do are drama club, I'm in yearbook club, French National Honor Society. I plan to do it all 4 years throughout high school, and then I plan to attend college afterwards. I feel like I'm going to come out of the class with a lot of creativity, definitely working under pressure, and you have to be very collaborative and open to hearing other people's ideas. We have an award-winning distracted driving campaign. We film morning announcements and shoot our musicals and plays and our sporting events. We can go on a lot of field trips. I know we recently went to Kent State to view their multimedia programs. It's really cool to see the gist of it and experience it.
Good morning, Kent State University.
This class is just so much fun. I have it first period, so I really just look forward to my day. Just do it, honestly. I find if you just try it, give it a shot, and you really enjoy it, it's just a great thing.